Currently it's already 5:30 plus in the afternoon, so the sun is not that strong anymore. But at least there's still light, so we can still see the beautiful view without using a flashlight because of the light from the sun, like the natural light from it. Okay, let's start here in the beautiful part here of Celestial Garden. Because last time it was the opposite. Okay, let's use this view. So what they say about spirits is that yes, I do believe in spirits. So there are good and bad spirits. And currently, let's use some positive vibes so at least that we attract good spirits and not the bad ones. But for me, for my opinion is what I can see with Good Shepherd is mostly I can see that it is positive. Like the view and the place of it is positive. So I see that it has most of good spirits in this area. Yeah, every part of it in Good Shepherd. Yeah, so okay, focus on the road or path of it. Just step on the stones here. So this is a very positive and good experience. What I can say is that all the parts or everything in Good Shepherd is beautiful, and also including the cemetery of the rich. So that's why the lots there or memorial lots there are expensive because it's so beautiful. At least that I'm not yet haggard because earlier I went to a mall because it's so hot. Yeah, honestly, the house is hot. The house that I live in is very hot because of the double construction of walls during the 90s decade. But anyway, the house is just okay. I'm just saying it honestly, or I'm just saying the truth that it's hot, so that's why I went to a mall earlier. Then, when the sun is not that strong anymore, then I go outdoors like this hill because the fresh air coming from the trees, plants, and grasses is so different compared to air conditioned balls and other buildings. Then also the electric fan or air condition in the house, it's so different. So I'm not just talking about money here, not just about money, because what we get from those services from air conditioners and electric fan is coming from the money that we pay for the electricity service, like the electric bill coming from it. But I'm just saying the truth that it's really different coming from the trees, plants, and grasses, the fresh air from it. So that's why when it's already 3:30 p.m. plus, so I went here. Then I waited for the sun not to be that strong, so that's why I did this hiking around 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Yes, 5 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. plus. So 5:30 p.m. plus we're still here because I really waited for the sun not to be that strong anymore. So it's really different when we started with station number 1 with the Station of the Cross. It's really step by step. So it's not that slippery compared to starting with the opposite side. Yeah. So all I can say it's really there's a reason on why there's the numbers there of the Station of the Cross. It's really different. So yeah. So I believe that some things happen for a reason, and this is one of it. So check the time of the video. So this is for the 7 minutes plus part of the video that I'm making. Anyway, if I can find another place that has the equivalent quality of Good Shepherd Banawa Hills, then I will really go there because I still haven't found a place that is equivalent to this one. So this place is so unique and beautiful, if that is what it means, because I still haven't found a place that is so unique and beautiful with this one. So that's why I'm always going here. Yeah, so this is the connecting part, going to the cemetery of the rich there. So it depends with your agreement with your loved ones, if depending also with the budget, if depending with your agreement, if your loved one will like that their remains to be buried in the cemetery for the rich. So yeah, it depends with them. So this is the connecting path coming from the Station of the Cross, then you can go there or visit it there in that part because this place has no dead end, or it has no end of the road because every path is connecting to another path or another road. I'm so thankful that it's still summertime in the Philippines because it's already almost 6 p.m. in the evening and it still has natural light coming from the sun, and it's not that strong anymore since it's already going almost to be a sunset already, like almost end of the day. Then after end of the day it's already evening, then evening is for dinner time and prepping up. After dinner time is you prep up going for bedtime. Prep up means that you need to relax first before going to bedtime. The kalachuchuchi flowers here smell so good already because it's almost evening. So I observed that when it's dark, kalachuchi flowers smell so good. Yeah, like evening or nighttime. Yeah, it smells so good. Yeah, another connecting path going to the cemetery for the rich. Yeah, this path here. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, let's try if the shoe will stick this time. Yeah, it's sticking. Look, this shoe. Yeah, it's a really good. Yeah, I won't continue anymore because we might sleep here. Get a timing. Okay. So let's say thank you or salamat to this tree because I'm going to grab on it. Yeah, so that to maintain the balance. Yeah, good tree. Yeah, good rock. Yep. Yeah. So the positive energy of Good Shepherd Banawa Hills, like preventing one from hiking, getting into an accident, and rolling down this cliff here. Yeah, at least I used my decision or instinct that not to continue on just having a record, like to the cemetery of the rich there, that one, that connecting path there. At least not also to abuse chances of that area. So with paganism, before the religions of some countries before is they say that everything has a spirit, trees, plants, grasses. So all I can say is that they're positive spirits or good spirits because it prevents people from getting into accidents. Yeah, just like this one. Look at this. Yeah, it's so slippery. So it's dangerous that someone will get slip up here. Because rubber shoes has limit. And this one that I'm wearing, it's a rubber shoes. This is the most sticky rubber shoes that I'm wearing. So it still cannot handle it. So that's why I will not abuse these shoes. And also not abuse the dried grasses there. Or some grasses are not dried, like it can still stick. But the majority are dried grasses. So it's difficult. Like we might get a timing that we will slip off this very deep hill here. That one. So all I can say is that I can upload this in YouTube because it's already around 14 minutes plus, so it will be more than 15 minutes once we get to the end of the station. So in YouTube there's no limit of the video, but in Facebook there's a limit, like only 15 minutes, while in TikTok it's 10 minutes. Okay, so nature is God's creation. So yeah, all I can say that God is a forgiving God, but He also doesn't want people or humans abusing nature. So that's why earlier I didn't abuse that. Like I checked the limit. of the grasses there and the rocks there, and I found out that the majority are dried grasses and also including the sands and stones there. So at least to avoid getting slipped off on going down the cliff. I hear a cat there, but I already have a lot of cats, so I also don't want that some of them will be compromised. So if there are people that can still afford to adopt cats here, is it depends with their budget also, because there's a lot already in the backyard of the house, so I cannot anymore adopt more cats in it because the other cats will get compromised and they might get sick if they under it or they don't have space to sleep on. So I also don't want the other cats there to be compromised. Yeah, question is that really a cat? Yeah, I think it's a cat. Because it sounds like that it's a speaker of a cat, but who will stay there for camping or hiking in that area? That's also the question of it. Okay, cut the video here because there's a lot of people there. Okay, so I'm here in the messy part of Good Shepherd, Banawa Hills, here in the station of the 9. Yeah, number 9, station 9 here. This one. It's okay. So number 9 is it has some other meanings in other countries or beliefs, like in Asian countries like the Chinese, they think that number 9 is a death number. It means death. So it's like a coincidence, like the trashes begin here, but in the station number 1 until number 8, it's so very clean there. It's so peaceful. But this part here is messy. But I'm asking here if they are hiring, but they're not, because I'm so willing to clean this. If I'll just be paid at least minimum wage in one day, and like they will give me around 8 hours to clean this, but what if I can finish this less than 8 hours? So at least it will be more than fair enough, like minimum wage just to clean it, that I can do it with this one. Yeah, I really can't understand the visitors in this area, like, yeah, putting the trashes there, like visiting here and leaving their trashes in this area. But at least they did not do it in the cemetery for the rich and the stations number 1 to 8, stations of the cross there. Station of the cross number 1 to 8, and it begin in the station of the number 9. Yeah, in the station of the cross in number 10, it's also very clean there in that area, and I will show it to you. Yeah, station number 9 is so dirty. It's already almost 6 in the evening, and I don't have a flashlight, and the flashlight of my phone is not that strong, so the video quality will be ugly if I use the flashlight of this phone. So, okay, let's go to the station of the cross number 10 in a while. Hopefully soon I can find another equivalent quality of a hill or park that is the equal equivalent of Good Shepherd Banawa Hills, and I still haven't found the equivalent of it because the different parts of the other park or memorial parks that has cemeteries when I research is so different compared to this one. So all I can say that this is so beautiful. That was created the year 1951, like after World War One and World War Two. Okay, let's go to station number 10. Okay, we're here in station number 10 here. Yeah, station number 10 is just okay. It's not that dirty, but still there's a lot of trashes here. So I think that in the people that they're hiring here is that there's just a few, depending with the budget, because minimum wage nowadays is very high. But I'm so okay that if I get hired here, like to clean, so minimum wage, if in case I finish it less than 8 hours, so the minimum wage is already very big. I'm so okay with it. So let's go to the other stations. Okay, I'm going to station number 11 here. So this part. So station 11 to 14 is there's a lot of houses there. So I will be cutting it from time to time. So it's almost 6 p.m. in the evening. I time checked the time earlier. Like the latest is 5:57 in the afternoon right now. So in that part is I will cut the video from time to time because there are houses there. Like it's so tiring to edit the video and put stickers on it. So anyway, the benefits of people living near the cemetery, at least that the cemetery like it has people on it, like the living people that is mixed with a lot of the resting place of those buried there, like the cemetery for the rich there. Okay, I'll cut the video for a while because it's tiring to edit because there are people there. Okay, here's station number 11 here. So I'll cut the video for a while so that I don't have to make a lot of edits here because there are a lot of people here. Here's station number 12 here. So after that, we will go to number 13. And I created a mistake earlier. So the station of the cross here is only number until number 13 and not until number 14. Okay, here it is. Station number 13 here. So it's really until number 14. So I haven't memorized the place, so that's why. Yeah, station number 14 is there. So it's only once there. So at least it's just easy to edit, to put stickers. To put stickers if in case there are people or houses included in it. Yeah, that's the cemetery for the rich there. The resting place there. That is very expensive. The memorial lots there. Look at this. The grasses are so cool to look at. Like it's dry, but these grasses are new generation. Like once it grew from after being dry, is that it's going to be green again. Since it's summertime in the Philippines, so that's why it got dried. So during the months of June to September, then December as well. Then the months between those is it's colored green. Yeah, it's so cool to look at. So good day. So currently we're working here by this side or part of the hill, and in this part is these are religious servants that are currently buried or their resting place, and it's around the decade of 90s and the early 2000s with those religious servants. I think that's the Roman Catholic Church that are buried currently there, and also here that this part of the hill is that you can see the Station of the Cross there. It is like a level of the hill, like the hill is like it was made into like a heaven like part, like seeing the other parts of the hill, like the Station of the Cross, then also the resting place of other body remains that are currently buried there. That's their resting place. So this Celestial Garden is like a heaven, and the Station of the Cross is like representing the earth, like the sorrows of Jesus. So it's in the Bible that during the 3 days of Jesus Christ, that he is currently buried on his tomb, that he descended to heaven. Then on Sunday, which is the Easter Sunday of his resurrection, is he went up from hell to heaven. So before going to heaven is he showed the people that he rose from the dead on earth. Then during that is that before going to heaven is he went to heaven after earth. So I really like this part. So it's really fresh air here. So I went to the mall earlier for some reason. So I went to this hill because the air coming from hills and its grasses and its trees here is so different. Look at this, around 5 in the afternoon, walk in the park when the sun is not anymore that strong anymore. So the sun is still present, but it's already almost setting because it's already 5 in the afternoon. Because if there's no sun, then it's already dark in here. Like it's going to be dark around 6 p.m. plus in the evening in this place. Yep, a very beautiful park. Okay, showing the grasses, dried leaves here, then plants, flowers.